I did research and got you top coin collections for holding in the 2022 bear market. This is my coin ranking from best to worst. For now my portfolio contains 20% Bitcoin, 50% Ethereum, 10% Doge, but I am planning to sell my Doge in the next pump, maybe when it reaches $1, 10% USDC in case of another bear market to buy more crypto at cheap price, 10% other coins. Now let's check the coins that have a big utility future. We have Polkadot, Internet Computers, Chainlink, Web Energy, and for the long run, maybe it will be the global coins for the world. We have XRP, XMR, and XLM. I found some other interesting coins: Cardano, The Graph, and Optimism. Avalanche, Matic, Mina. Mina is a new coin and didn't pump yet, so it's your chance to get involved. We have also LTC and Sol. Solana is interesting, but it may go to zero because it have some problems. Now, after the Ethereum mining stop in the merge, miners will move to mine new coins, and this will make the price of the coins pump. We have Raven, Ergo, ETC, and Flux. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe.